Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to remove a member from your private Snapchat story. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, locate and tap on your avatar or profile picture to access your profile settings. Next, scroll down to find the Private Stories section. This is where you'll manage the specific story from which you want to remove a member. Now, identify the story you wish to edit, and tap on the three dots located next to it. A menu will appear with various options. Choose Edit Viewers from the list. In the Edit Viewers section, you'll see a list of members who have access to the selected story. To remove a member, simply uncheck the box next to their name. Once you've unchecked the member, remember to tap on the Save button to confirm your changes. After saving the adjustments, tap on Done to complete the process. This final step ensures that the changes are applied successfully. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage your private Snapchat stories and control who can view them. Removing a member is just a few taps away, giving you full control over your story's audience. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful.